Hey, so you have heard how powerful ChatGPT 4 is, way better than GPT 3.5, right? But it costs $20 per month and you are wondering, can I use ChatGPT 4 for free? My short answer, yes. And in this video, I will show you safe, legal and reliable ways to access GPT-4 without paying. Let's get straight into it. When we say GPT-4 for free, we are usually talking about access to GPT-4 models through other platforms, not the full ChatGPT Plus experience. You won't get every premium feature like file uploads, voice mode, or memory. But for pure text-based GPT-4 responses, you absolutely can try it without paying a cent. Method 1. Use Microsoft Copilot, formerly Bing Chat. This is the easiest, official, and 100% free method. Just go to copilot.microsoft.com, log in with your Microsoft account, pay to create, and boom, you are chatting with GPT-4. Yes, it is really GPT-4. Microsoft has confirmed this uses GPT-4 under the hood, specifically GPT-4 Turbo, which is faster and optimized. You can ask questions, get writing help, generate code, do brainstorming, even use it inside Edge browser for web assistance. Pro tip: use Edge browser plus Copilot side panel. It's super smooth, especially for research. Method 2. Use GPT-4 in Microsoft Word or Excel. If you have Microsoft 365 or even the web version, check this. Go to office.com, open Word or Excel web version, click on Copilot inside the document. They sometimes offer limited GPT-4 access for free users or during promotions. You can ask it to rewrite text, summarize, clean up documents, all GPT powered. Even if it is limited, it is a great way to get a feel for GPT-4 quality inside real work tools. Method 3. Use GPT-4 for free via Pooh by Quora. Go to Pooh.com. It is platform by Quora where you can chat with multiple AI bots. They offer limited free GPT-4 messages per day. Here is how. Create a free Pooh account, select the GPT-4 bot, use your free daily quota, usually around 1 to 5 messages per day. It is not unlimited, but it is great for quick questions or testing high quality outputs. They also offer Cloud, Gemini, and other AI models in one place. Method 4. Use GPT-4 via third-party tools offering free credits. Some AI-powered apps use GPT-4 in the backend, and they offer free trials or credits. Example: Write Sonic, Notion AI, Copy.ai, Tome.app. These tools often use GPT-4 or GPT 3.5 for content creation. Sign up and you usually get free credits or limited time access. No card required. No ideal for full chatting, but awesome for specific tasks like content, scripts, products, descriptions, etc. So avoid these mistakes. Don't fall for free GPT-4 applications or Chrome extensions. If you see random websites saying download GPT-4 Premium, FAQ free, or get ChatGPT Plus free cracked extension, please avoid them. They are not real, and many are malware or phishing scams. Stick to trusted names, Microsoft, Foo, Officer apps. Don't risk your data or device for fake access. What you don't get for free. Let's be real. These free methods don't give you the full ChatGPT Plus experience. Here's what is usually missing: no file uploads like PDF or Excel, no image generation, no voice conversations, no custom victories, no memory, no guaranteed access during heavy traffic. But for basic chatting, writing, learning, or coding, free GPT-4 access is still incredibly powerful. My final thoughts. So, yes, you can use GPT-4 for free. The best and safest options are Microsoft Copilot, Pooh by Quora, Office tools with Copilot, GPT-4 apps offering free trials. You won't get every premium feature, but you will get GPT-4's intelligence and power without spending a dollar. If you are just getting started, these free options are a great way to test it out before deciding to pay. Let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these, or do you know another legit method I missed? Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.